Hi, in this video I want to talk about another HTML element called a select. Um, this would be something you use a lot for forms, so in that way it's sort of like an input, but it's got an opening and closing tag, and we would call it probably a drop-down menu, or a drop-down, yeah, I guess a drop-down. So for the drop-down we'll put one element within the select element for every option we want, and that element will be an option element, which also has an opening and closing tag. So as you can see, I'll give it a second. Yeah, if we put more options in here, more will come up over here. Between the opening and closing option tag, we'll have the text. And if we want to programmatically have a different value set, we can use the value attribute. So that means if you have this in a form, you can access with JavaScript or post the data of the value rather than the inner HTML. And that's useful because you might need the data in a slightly different format than the user wants to see it in. So for example, right here we have first, second, third, and fourth. And maybe we wanted to send the data as 1, 2, 3, and 4, a little bit more efficient from the program side of things. And that's how you would do that. So this is the select, and it's essentially a drop down.